Okay guys, so this is the first time I've actually done this, so I thought I would go on to the Google or onto the internet and see if anyone had given instructions on what to do here. And there was a couple of really old videos and a couple of written instructions on the forum, but nothing really up to date, so I thought I would just do something. Just a little friendly pip to say thank you to the girlie in the office there who was very helpful. So at this point, the person in the office has authorised you to leave here and to go around and pick up. They'll have given you the slip, which is the bit of white paper that I've got blue tacked in the bottom left hand corner there. You can see on the screen, that's the permit to go round. So you come off the West Ramp Coach Park onto the roundabout. It's an immediate hard left here. Okay, so down the hill towards the big roundabout at the bottom. So even though there is actually signage, if you look out here, I was concentrating on the cars coming from the right. So I wasn't looking at the signage particularly. I knew roughly where I was going, but concentrating on the cars, I knew I was going around to the right here. M4A4 there, straight on and right, doesn't make it entirely clear which lane you can or want to be in, so I was deliberately splitting the lanes here, just in case I could be or wanted to be in the second lane over. And then this coach comes round and indicates right and goes around to right. So I thought, oh great, I can be in the next lane over. Start to go over. Service bus kind of gets in the way here, not this one, the next one. Comes around a bit tight, but there we go. Go to go around and then realise, oh no, I do want to be in the right hand lane, and that coach was just being cheeky. So indicating back over. So lesson learned at that point, you want to be in that far right hand lane only to go around the roundabout. It's actually a really short light phase there. As you can see, we didn't catch the lights, so I'm going to fast forward while we wait through this set of lights here. Okay, so around here, sticking to the right, and we go straight into another set of traffic lights. Okay, got no choice here but to follow it on, and we're going to go under the famous tunnel, which goes under the runways. Most people, when they talk about Heathrow, they will say things like after the tunnel or once you've gone through the tunnel. This is obviously what they're talking about. Okay, from this point on, I can only really commentate on what I did. I'm sure people who've been here a million times might know some other little tricks, but we're basically here following signs for Terminal 3. Signs above, signs on the road. Now here, there is a sign just on the left that says overheight vehicles in that left-hand lane. And I wasn't sure if I would need to count as an overheight vehicle or not. And you can see both the two coaches in front of me have moved over to the left. So I thought I'd better do so. I think in hindsight you probably don't need to, but it's not that busy anyway. So we're just following it around, following signs for Terminal 3 currently. It's not really entirely clear what that overheight vehicle sign is referring to, in fact. Maybe it's this bridge here, possibly. Anyway, we're nearly there. It's about to open up into quite a wide section of lanes here. So at this point you want these left-hand 3 lanes. You don't want exit and you don't want car park row over on the right. You want these 3, and they swing around and become the lanes for drop-off. Now you're told, you'll know the instructions, tell you to stay in the left, and at this point go for that very left-hand lane, the one that here is marked bus and taxi only. But you can see me going, I'm not going to fit round there with this triaxle with those pickup vans parked there, so I decided to go for the second lane. But you are supposed to, by instruction, go for that final lane. Anyway, go up. Let some nice holidaymakers across the road. As most of you coach drivers know, in a situation like this, people can do stupid things and walk out from silly places, so keep an eye out. Right here, the top is a little bit tight, but nothing spectacular, and then it becomes a bit less obvious if you weren't told where to go, where you need to go. Now again, the instructions here at this point, cross over this little crossing, tell you to come all the way left here and follow that bus only underneath the terminal cover. Seems a bit of a silly route to me, why we couldn't have taken not the taxi lane to the right, but the bus lane just to the right of that, which I'm pretty sure from memory does go around here as well. But anyway, this is the instructions. And then to swing round to the left here. We're basically going around the back of the terminal. Go past the 2 little bus entrances. Follow that road round the back. And then you're going to swing round into the bays. I was told to park on these 4 on the left, 6 to 10. So that's what I did. And then now it's just following the exit signs. So there we go, West Ramp Coach Park to Terminal 3 coach pickup.